We work together, as I said, with Paragon Skills, who are really good at finding the right diploma for the roles that people are actually doing within the organisation.
I would recommend the apprenticeship with Paragon Skills because they were brilliant. It was a year course, they're there with you every step of the way, and the tutor went out of their way to help you, always there for you to contact.
Yeah, Paragon Skills are like holding our hand all the way through it, like they're there every step of the way.
My feelings about Paragon Skills is amazing because I've had every bit of communication I could possibly have had.
Other than you made my life really easy. That's the best thing about it.
Everyone I've spoken to have been really lovely.
We were with someone else before and it just seemed really difficult to get everybody up and learning, and now with Paragon Skills, sort of everyone wants to learn. I've had so many staff keen to complete their apprenticeship since we've moved over to Paragon Skills.
Just having that reassurance from the people at Paragon Skills, my tutor, things like that, that there was ample support available.
It's been so easy and seamless just to get everybody signed up and enrolled and really wanting to learn.
Ever since we've had Paragon Skills in place, it's been brilliant, to be honest.
Working with Paragon Skills was amazing.
The minute I contact one of the mentors on the team, they get back to you so quickly. And if they can't get back to you, let's say someone's on holiday, they refer you to someone else, and it's so easy to get in touch with people.
I've tried different providers before, and with Paragon Skills I've had only positive experience.
You've always got that somebody to fall back on, and always get in contact really quickly.
I'm really happy that we've come on board with Paragon Skills. I like people that are organised and on the ball, and they are that.